Imagine seeing a vehicle or container and instantly understanding that its contents demand special attention, care, and even caution. This immediate visual cue is crucial for safety and efficiency in logistics. It is how we quickly communicate potential dangers to everyone involved in transport and handling, from drivers to emergency responders. Hazardous material placards are generally required whenever a hazardous material is transported in quantities that exceed a specific threshold set by regulatory bodies. These diamond-shaped signs communicate the primary hazard class of the material, enabling quick identification and appropriate safety measures. The requirement applies to most modes of transportation, including road, rail, air, and sea. The core reason behind these requirements is public safety and environmental protection. Regulations like those from the Department of Transportation, or DOT, in the United States, or international bodies like the International Civil Aviation Organization for air cargo and the International Maritime Organization for sea shipments, establish thresholds. These thresholds consider not just the type of hazardous material, but also the quantity being transported, known as the reportable quantity. Different hazard classes pose different risks, meaning even small amounts of highly volatile substances can trigger placarding requirements, while larger quantities of less dangerous materials might also necessitate them. To determine if placards are needed, you will first identify the hazardous material and its hazard class. This information is typically found on the Safety Data Sheet, or SDS, provided by the materials manufacturer. Next, you will need to ascertain the total quantity of the hazardous material being shipped. Finally, consult the relevant transportation regulations for your mode of transport, checking the placarding tables and exceptions for that specific hazard class and quantity. This systematic approach ensures accurate compliance and enhances safety. An important aspect to understand is the concept of a hazard class, which categorizes hazardous materials by their predominant risk, such as flammables, corrosives, or explosives. Each hazard class has a unique number and symbol displayed on the placard. Another key term is the packing group, or PG, which indicates the degree of danger within a hazard class, with packing group 1 representing high danger, packing group 2 medium danger, and packing group 3 minor danger. Knowing these details is critical for selecting the correct placard and adhering to loading and segregation rules. Properly placarding hazardous materials is more than just following rules. It is a vital communication tool that protects lives and the environment. By understanding when and why these visual warnings are necessary, and by following the established guidelines, you contribute directly to a safer and more efficient supply chain for everyone. It ensures that the right precautions are taken at every step, minimizing risks and preventing potential incidents.